Hello everyone. Today we are introducing the MKE MK100 Dry Bath. This machine is a compact, precise temperature-controlled desktop instrument, applied in life science, industrial, biopharmaceutical, and other fields. Large LED display shows the working mode, target temperature, real-time temperature and time. Intuitive reproduction of parameters, easy to operate, default normal mode at startup. Want to adjust the parameters? First press the lower left compound key, switch temperature and time. When the parameter is flashing, press set key to shift to the value to the corresponding unit. Press up and down again to adjust the value. Default save by blinking 3 times. Tap program key to switch to custom program. After adjusting the parameter value, it will blink 3 times to save by default. Press the red key to start. This machine comes with 15 answer for 1.5mm module as standard. High quality precision module processing molding. Ensure the best thermal conductivity. A variety of optional capacity modules are also available. To meet different experimental needs, put the module handle vertically into the corresponding hole of the module. Tighten the handle in a clockwise direction. Then use a 2.5mm hexagonal wrench to loosen the fixing screw. Lift up the module vertically to remove it.